Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Kids Teacher.
Learning alphabet A to Z sound. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jag. J for jam. K for king. K for king. L for lion. L for lion. M for mango. M for mango.
N for nest. N for nest.
O for orange. O for orange. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. T for tree. T for tree. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray.
Y for yak. Y for yak.
Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Thanks to watching my channel.